In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp an image in Canva. If you've ever tried placing a logo onto a curved mockup, bending text so it feels more dynamic, or shaping a graphic to better fit your layout, you already know that flat editing tools can feel limiting. The good news is that Canva gives you a simple way to create that warped look without needing advanced design software. To get started, open your web browser, go to Canva's website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you'll start a new project and set up the workspace you'll use for the effect. Next, choose the canvas size that best fits your project. If you want a wider working area, presentation is a great option. If you're designing for social media, something like an Instagram portrait layout may make more sense. After the blank canvas opens, go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a helpful visual guide so your design stays balanced and doesn't feel too close to the edges. Now it's time to open the tool that handles the warp effect. On the left side of the screen, click Apps. At the top of that panel, use the search bar to look for Typecraft or Morph, depending on what kind of element you want to bend. If you're working with text, Typecraft may be the better fit. If you're adjusting a graphic or object, Morph is usually the one to explore. Click the app to open its editing panel. Once the tool loads, you'll see your element inside a preview area with anchor points around it. These small handles are what let you reshape the design. Click and drag one of the corner points or side handles to begin stretching, curving, or twisting the image. Work slowly here. Small movements usually give you cleaner, more natural looking results. Keep adjusting the different points until the shape matches the look you want. When you're happy with the warp, go to the bottom of the panel and click Add to Design. Canva will place the edited version directly onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it, move it around, and position it so it fits smoothly with the rest of your design. Before exporting, take a moment to line everything up. As you move elements, Canva's guidelines will appear to help you center and align your composition. Once everything looks right, click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for a crisp, high-quality result. Finally, click Download to save your finished design. That's it. You now know how to warp an image in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next